Portable tire inflators are essential for quick on-the-road tire maintenance, roadside emergencies, and ensuring proper tire pressure without a bulky compressor. Their value hinges on accuracy, speed, battery life, ease of use, and features like auto shutoff, preset modes, and lighting for low-light operation. In this review, I tested 5 compact inflators across a price spectrum from budget to premium.
List number 1. Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Cordless Mini Bike Pump with Digital Dual Values Display. The Astro AI L7 is a compact, battery-powered inflator promising 150 psi with a digital dual-value display, a 4,000 mAh battery, and 17 liters per minute airflow. Notable features include 4+N modes, car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball, and a custom mode with a user-settable target between 3 and 150 psi. It also adds a USB-C port for device charging and a top-end flashlight for night use, along with a series-style auto-off that activates when the target pressure is reached. Performance-wise, the L7 delivers a claimed 2x faster inflation with a 17 liter per minute flow, sufficient for quick top-ups on standard tires. In practice, accuracy is enhanced by the True Gauge sensor, reported 200 Hz sampling with an 80% valid data rate. The battery is capable of refilling multiple tires, up to 8 tires on a 30 to 36 psi cycle under typical conditions, though high-load tires or extreme ambient temperatures may reduce runtime. The device's lightweight design, under 1 pound, makes it highly portable, and the 4 preset modes, plus a customizable target, help avoid over or under inflation. The flashlight adds utility for nocturnal maintenance, and USB-C power output can provide a modest emergency charge to a phone or speaker when needed.
List number 2. AirMoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Air Pump for Car Tires with Digital Pressure Gauge. Brand, AirMoto. Manufacturer, AirMoto. Overview. AirMoto is positioned as a premium, high-compact cordless inflator with a 120 psi max, 2000 mAh battery, a large digital gauge, auto shutoff, and a built-in LED light. It ships with multiple adapters for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball inflation, plus a deflate function to fine-tune pressures. Its design emphasizes ease of use, a robust display, and a fairly broad unit conversion capability, PSI, kPa, bars, and kilograms per centimeter squared. In use, AirMoto excels in accuracy and speed at standard tire pressures, aided by a 20 liters per minute airflow rating and a fairly bright LED for nighttime work. The auto shutoff feature is reliable, and the device stores the hose internally to minimize clutter. Practical limitations include battery sensitivity to ambient temperature and tire size. Larger tires or higher pressures will drain the battery faster, and the 120 psi ceiling may be insufficient for some performance vehicles or off-road tires. Its compact form factor and included attachments make it a strong all-rounder for typical road use and multi-vehicle households.
List number 3. Craftsman Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Craftsman's model pairs a large 6,000 mAh battery with a 150 psi maximum and multiple inflation presets, car, bike, motorcycle, ball, plus a custom mode. The package includes a long 10-foot cigarette lighter cord for wired operation, and it emphasizes a broad inflation capability with a substantial battery reserve and a 5-mode setup. Performance-wise, the CMX PTXA1201 delivers strong inflation speed and reliable auto shutoff. The device's 36 liters per minute airflow rating is competitive in this segment, enabling quick inflation for most passenger cars. The inclusion of USB-C charging and a Type-C port underlines its modern multi-source charging flexibility. The 12V DC option broadens use case scenarios, such as powering from a vehicle's 12V outlet in addition to cordless operation. User experience benefits from a large display and clear presets, while the long accessory cable is a practical bonus for reach during roadside stops.
List number 4. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Air Pump for Car Tires Car Accessories. This Astro AI model is a corded 12V DC inflator
with a generous 9.8-foot cord, a backlit digital gauge, and a built-in LED flashlight. It emphasizes a programmable preset with auto off, supporting 4 pressure units in various inflatables beyond car tires, including bicycle tires and balls. In practice, the longer cord provides flexible reach from the car's cigarette lighter, which is particularly convenient for in-dash use or trunk storage. The device's tough Ultra construction claims improved durability, though the overall performance remains typical for corded Astro AI devices, reliable but not the most compact option. The flashlight and backlit display add practical utility for nighttime tire checks, and the 100 psi maximum is adequate for most consumer tires. However, corded operation means you need a power source, which may affect portability in some scenarios.
List number 5. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The KI Air unit emphasizes cordless operation with a 150 psi max, auto shutoff, a clear LED display, and an integrated USB-C input with USB-A output for device charging. It's designed for quick top-ups across cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sporting equipment, with 4 presets plus a custom mode and a bright 3-mode LED light. In real-world use, its 150 psi ceiling covers most passenger vehicles, and the USB-C power delivery extends utility beyond tire inflation. Given its 1.41-pound weight and compact footprint, it's a highly portable option suitable for road trips and daily carry. The battery performance is generally solid for standard tires, but like many cordless models, high-demand inflation tasks or extreme temperatures can reduce runtime. The 1-year warranty adds reassurance for casual users who want a lower-risk purchase.